This conference will now be recorded.
Hi Raj, good morning. Good morning, everyone. No, you're not audible.
Hello guys, I'm audible right now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah, now it's fine, right? Okay, then thank you guys. Okay, so let's start. Can someone give me a quick recap what we? So can someone give me a quick thing on what we discussed in the last session? In the last session, let me share my screen. Just give me a sec. Okay, so in the last session we discussed what is data engineering. Am I correct? Okay. So what is data engineering? Why data engineers were needed? Needed. And what is Azure data engineering? Okay. Now guys, what is Azure? Okay. What is Azure guys? Azure is a cloud platform from Microsoft. Am I correct? So we are using set of tools and services as part which services which were suggested by Microsoft, right, to perform our data engineering activities. Am I correct guys? That's what we discussed in the last class. Am I correct? Okay. Now now so as I said, Azure is a cloud platform from Microsoft. So if you want to create your own development environment virtually, okay, instead of setting up physical infrastructure, you setting up physical infrastructure. We go for cloud. Okay. How many cloud providers were available in market guys? Can someone answer?
Yeah, major AWS, Azure, and GCP.
Okay. Okay. One is your Azure from Microsoft.
AWS.
AWS from your Amazon. GCP from your Google. So all these three vendors has their own tech stack on data engineering. Okay. To perform data engineering, all these have own tech stack of tools. Okay. So as I said, why cloud came into the picture? Okay, because if I want to develop my infrastructure, okay, which which takes more time. If I want to develop my physical infrastructure, infra to build a product, which requires lot of time. First point. Second thing, maintenance cost. Third one, if the infrastructure which has been built does not have uses as expected, all your investment will be waste. Is way. Okay. With all these disadvantages, so all the companies thought of doing something like, we need, like, first it was started by Amazon, we need to develop a place where, so that people will be using the product for their uses, and they will be once the usage has been done, they will be removing it from their part. With this concept, we got something called cloud computing. What is cloud computing basically? Cloud computing is nothing but renting of resources or usage of infrastructure for your need. Okay, so we call it as a cloud computing. Basically, it's a renting of resource or usage of your resources for your need, and once the usage completed, disallocate them, disallocate it, so that same resource, same infra or products will be used by others who has the same need. Okay, guys. Any doubts in this part? Hello? Hello? Now,
Nothing does.
okay. Now Azure, as I said, Azure basically provides us three types of services. What are it? One is IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. As service. Second one is PaaS, platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Okay. Any doubts, guys, in this part? Hello. So what is here infrastructure as a service and roles? So you people had heard about something like Azure admins, right? So who develop? They develop the physical infra needed to work on. Okay. In platform as a service, what we have, guys? Here, application developers. Okay. Set of tools use this set of tools using Azure as a platform, and you develop your application, you develop your products. Software as a service. Here, service is built by some other guys, some developers. You are using it for your need. So, so what are the platform as service? Any example, guys? Any services you are using in the market? Hello, hello, hello. So either your
Operate
Visual Studio. What?
any operating system, Linux,
Okay,
Ubuntu, all this.
okay. And so your OS, your tools which you use it to develop any some specific product, and any software as a service, guys. In your day-to-day example, every day what we are using.
WhatsApp,
Okay, your Gmail, classic example, guys. Your Google Drive. Someone has been developed. You are using these things. Am I correct? Okay. Any doubts, guys, in this part? Software as a service, platform as a service. Hello, hello, guys. Getting it right? What is cloud computing? What is software? What is IaaS? Now we have something called auto scaling. What is this auto scaling? Let's take consider an example or scenario like suppose you have your Flipkart. Am I correct? So Flipkart expected either on Big Billion Days or something the sale will be running it right. Expected they have around some 1 lakh users on the sale day. They have set up their infrastructure for that, but they got only 50k users. Okay, so what happens for the remaining 50k infrastructure what they have been set up? It's waste. Am I correct? Now, same Flipkart thought in the next year they anticipated like no 50k users in the last time, so make it like for infra for 75k. Okay, so what happened here is like they got 2 lakh users unfortunately. So is it possible for Flipkart to set up the infra then and itself? Infra immediately? Hello guys, it's not possible, right? Immediately to create the infrastructure for the coming need. With this concept, we got something called auto scaling. We have two types. One is horizontal scaling in cloud, okay, and vertical scaling. What is this horizontal scaling? Anyone guys, any idea?
Adding new servers, hardware.
Okay. Okay. Guys, can someone be on mute?
Adding new resources to the existing machine.
Okay.
So scaling. Sorry, adding new machines for the scaling purpose.
Okay. So what is horizontal scaling first? And what is vertical scaling? So horizontal scaling is nothing but, as someone said, okay, adding more machines or nodes. Or nodes to the system. So what are we building in the system? Like if Flipkart has created around 10 servers, so adding more servers. Vertical is nothing but, what is vertical scaling? Adding more computation power to the existing system. Got it right, guys? Hello? Like your CPU, RAM, increasing it, storage. This we call it as horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. If you are adding to the existing machine, we call it as vertical scaling. If you are increasing the number of missions, we call it as horizontal scaling. So this is immediately possible in your cloud. Okay. So auto scaling is nothing but increasing the resources then and itself, or system grows or system shrinks. Either it goes or shrinks the based on the number of users or based on the usage of the system. Okay. That we call it as auto scaling. This was introduced in the cloud. Okay. If you want to perform the auto scaling physically on a physical infrastructure, what you set up, it takes again more time. Okay. Any doubts, guys, here? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Fine, right?
Yes.
Fine. Now, how will you need to create your cloud account? How can you create your cloud account? Okay. How will you create your cloud account? To create cloud account in Azure, we have something called HTTPS portal.azure.com. Am I correct? So this is the URL which you need to use. Okay. Getting it right, guys? Guys, someone's joined from their laptop, so they can create a cloud account here. Hello.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share your screen. Let me make. I'll make you presenter. You can share your screen. So Babji, right?
Please. Yeah.
Yeah, share your screen. Guys.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, now we are able to see your screen. So can you type in the URL which I have given? https portal.azure.com. I'll give you in the chat window. You can use it. Okay. Now it will ask you either you can create a new account or you can create and use an existing account. Okay, if you have. So can you hit on create one? So either you can create with your Outlook or with your Hotmail. Can you create some account with your name? Hit next. Not Gmail. It will give you Hotmail or hit on next.
So sorry, which another account?
No, no. Hit next. Can you hit on next?
Come again. I need to give.
No, no. You don't need to give anything. It will ask you for either creating your Hotmail or Outlook account. So can you remove that? Yeah. Hit on next. Hit on that next button. Yeah. So at the rate, right? Or get or hit on get new email address. Below that there is a get new email address, right? Hit on that.
Yeah. Okay.
So it will ask you for either Outlook account or for Hotmail account if you see. Now you type in here. So your password. So give your details. Hit on next. And you scroll down and just complete hit on next.
Which one? No, so.
So can you hit like yeah. Hit on hide that there is a hide button, right? There will be next option here.
Okay. I think it was created.
Still it has not created, but I guess your internet is slow, I guess. It will ask you for verification. Can you refresh the page one?
Sorry.
Can you refresh the page? Refresh it. Yeah, hit on next once again. Give your password. Give your password. Password.
Yeah. These are scores.
Yeah, yeah. Give you the again second. Okay.
Yeah, it is again. Yeah.
Scroll up and hit on next. Yeah. Complete that puzzle. Uh, Rotate that image as per the. Okay. No, no, no. Just wait. Okay. Yeah. Rotate it and do it. Scroll down. Yeah, hit on try again. Hit on try again. Yeah. Rotate it as per it. Okay. There is a arrows right. Hit on those arrows. Don't submit. Yeah. So how the finger is pointing, that image should be the same way.
Yeah, same. This one. Mhm.
Start that one. Reverse the upper.
Yeah. Mm.
Hit submit. Yeah. Yeah. Same thing. Do it for this one as well. Yeah. Hit submit now. So now you are in the Azure portal. Hit on cancel. Can you hit on that cancel button? No need to get, or else get started. You can hit on. So here you have something like start with Azure free trial, the first option. Then hit on that start, the first option. Yeah. So here it will be ask yeah, start for free. Start free. So please give your details on. One second. Yeah. So give your details so that you will get a call or text. Type in. You'll get a code, verification code. Just to fill the form, how it was asking it. Okay. Verify the code. Yeah. So your PAN card, these details are option. Company name, if you want to give anything, ABC or something, anything is fine. Your address you need to give and postal code you need to give. Anything you can type in the same any name in the address.
I can select this one or this one. Microsoft one. Both.
Yeah, anything is fine. Okay. Hit or next. Yeah, your
Next.
address you need to select here.
Uh,
City name you need to give those things. Okay. So here it will ask for your card details, okay? So yeah, you can stop your screen share and provide your either credit card details. Okay, so what will happen is like it will charge you. Hello. It will charge you for 1 rupee or 2 rupees in INR, and those are refundable. Just for verification purpose, you can stop your screen share and you can do it this one, and you can again share the screen once you complete this part. Stop your screen share. Yeah. Once you complete it, then once again share your screen. Okay. Hello.
I'm doing.
Once you're done, please share your screen.
Um,
Once you
um,
once you're done with that verification part, okay, your account part.
okay, sure.
Once you're done your verification, just share your screen. Enter only credit card, debit card don't accept, okay?
Yeah, I have entered credit card.
It will deduct 1 rupee from you,
Mm.
1 or 2 rupees INR, and those are also refunded.
It is asking you again password.
Yeah, you can give your password, what you entered, what you... So if you want to give some recovery address, you can give.
Can I give Gmail address?
Yes,
Anything?
you can. Yeah, you can give your Gmail.
Oh,
You get a code,
yeah.
your Gmail. Email heater net email. Send. No. If you have code, okay. If you don't have, send.
Yeah, the same code earlier it got. That all.
If you got, okay, fine. Or else you need to give a new code. Okay, fine. Submit.
Okay, fine. Submit. Submit.
Fine. Okay. You are ready. Yeah, go
This
to
one.
Azure portal. Yeah, go to portal. Yeah. So you can quick start or you can close that one. Just quick start center. You can close this one. There is a close icon right there.
Loading.
Yeah. So this is the landing page of your Microsoft Azure. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the landing page of your Azure. So if you see, there is something called resources, virtual machines, application services, storages. So these are all the resources provided by Microsoft Azure. Okay.
Yeah.
Getting it right? So based on your requirement, you will be creating your own service and you will be using those resources. So you will be paying for what you have used. For the 30 days, Microsoft will give you for free. After 30 days, it's chargeable. Okay. So if you want to check in the search box, can you type in something like subscription? Yeah, there is subscription, right? Go and select the services. So if you see, this is your ID. So what is your subscription? Is free trial. Can you open that? So here, this is the place where you can check all your payment related information. Okay.
Okay.
Got it right? See, that is Microsoft. For every Azure account, Microsoft will give you this 16-digit ID, subscription ID. Okay. So what is your usage? What are you doing? Everything you can track it over here on your account. What's happening on your account? Okay. If you see in the left box, there's everyone. Can you scroll down? See, there is cost analysis, cost alerts.
Right.
So what's happening on your on your Azure account? See, getting it right?
Yes.
For for now it's free. Yeah, for now it's free. Next. So once this is happened, okay. Once this is done, next. Go to your home. There will be home button on your top right again. Top left. Can you scroll up? Yeah, you are in the home, right? Yeah. Once subscriptions are finished, suppose if you want to know about the cost of what is the service I am doing upfront, an estimated price. Okay.
Mm.
Can you hit on in the Google? Can you hit on something like Azure pricing calculator? Azure pricing calculator. Can you type in Azure pricing calculator? Yeah. Can you open that one pricing calculator? Yeah. Can you scroll down? See what are the services you are using. So what is the upfront cost or an estimated cost? You can get it from here. Okay. So Azure pricing calculator is a service for your billing purpose. Some estimated cost. If you give the exact thing, so what is the usage, it will give the exact cost. But before using a service, if you want to know about upfront cost or estimated cost, we'll go for this Azure pricing calculator. So if you want to go for any pricing calculator service, so can you hit on storage accounts? Yeah, scroll down. It will come. See here it's coming right. Type of account, what is the location, what is the type of service, everything. Can you scroll down? This is the cost they are giving for $21. So for what you selected options, okay. If you want to increase or decrease your storage, you can do it. That's as well. Okay, getting it right?
Yes.
Any doubts? No doubts, right?
Yeah.
So this
So,
is your pricing. Yeah, tell me guys.
no. See, this is 100 GB. It is a $2.
Yeah. So based on the service and what is the infrastructure you gonna set up, okay? So how much you gonna pay Azure? It's an estimated cost, not exact cost. It may vary, okay? Exact cost may vary. So this is how we set up our Azure account, guys, okay? So in this portal, we'll be creating our services to work on our data engineering part, okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
As discussed in the earlier classes, what are the services we gonna use? We gonna use storage account, we gonna use some tools, okay, and we gonna perform our Azure data engineering, okay. Guys, any doubts? Hello, everyone, guys, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so please, guys, everyone, set up your portals so that from tomorrow we'll go into our discussion more on your Azure data engineering part, okay. What services we need to use, how to create your service, those things we will be going it from tomorrow, okay. Fine, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, guys. If he doesn't have any doubts, we can wind up the session, guys. Okay.
So let's
Okay,
stop
fine
to
then.
sharing now.
Yeah, you can stop your sharing. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay then. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow, let's start our Azure data engineering thing. Create your portals, guys. Everyone. Okay. Okay then.